Welcome back. In this video we will learn about how does Apex work. Before that, I would like to add one more point on the video related to Apex programming language. I have missed one feature called which is about Apex is a case insensitive programming language, so you can write anything in uppercase or lowercase. Apex has no problem with that. So this is the point which I would like to add in that video. Now let's come back to the topic, which is how does Apex work. So when we have to write our code in the developer console of our Salesforce org. So in the next video we will learn how to create a Salesforce org and how to open our developer consoles. So you have to write the code in developer console, and when we are writing the code, it is uncompiled or unsaved. When you save the code, when you write the code, it starts compiling by itself, and after that it will be compiled by the application server. So this is the application server of Salesforce, and the code will be compiled here, and after that if there are any errors, then those errors will be written back to the developer or the person who is developing the code. And if there are no errors, then the code will be able to fetch the data from the Salesforce database. So this is the Salesforce database, and those records will be provided to the Apex runtime engine, and after that Apex runtime engine will send the result of the request to the end user. So this is how Apex programming language work. Now, as we have discussed, we have to create a special developer edition org to write Apex programming language. For this you have to visit a website called developers.salesforce.com, developers.salesforce.com. so this is the website, and here you can sign up for your org. We will learn about it in the next video. After that, signing up and login with the org, you can see a button which is like this, a setup button, and after that you can open so when you click on the setup button, you will see a developer console, and this is what I am talking about. So here you write the code of Apex. This is the environment where we will write the Apex code, and if you are not okay with developer edition or developer console, then you can connect your Salesforce with a Visual Studio Code and can write the code from there and can push the code to our Salesforce org. So there are two ways to write the code. First of all is write itself in the developer console. I like writing code in the developer console itself because I don't have to push my code every time. And the other thing is about writing the code using VS Code and then saving it in our org. That's it in this video. We will learn more about Apex in future video. The next topic will be data types in Apex. So what are the various data types which are provided by Salesforce? We will learn it in the next video. Thank you very much.